Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for joining me on a really hot Wednesday morning. Just wanted to provide a really quick update with what's happening in terms of driving lessons, the theory test and also the driving test. So stick around and I'll go through those things with you. Okie dokie, here we go. Okay, so I've had to move into my shed to record the rest of this because my car is just far too hot. Anyway, let's take a look at driving lessons first of all. Since last I put an update out, nothing's really changed. There's no new guidance from DVSA with regards to commencing driving lessons. Like I mentioned last time, I've spoken with my students and we're still aiming for the Monday the 6th of July. However, as yet the guidance still stands that DVSA recommend that we can only provide lessons to key workers. So that hasn't changed as yet, unfortunately. And one thing that is a little bit frustrating is that other sectors, things like hotels and pubs and hairdressers, they've all been named as being able to start from a certain date. So as an industry, we haven't been given that information yet. Clearly, if things do change, I'll obviously update as to what's going on. But for now, it's still a little bit up in the air with regards to driving lessons. Okay, the theory test. Nothing again really has changed with that. All theory tests are currently on hold until early July. You are able to book a theory test slot, but unfortunately you won't be able to get one until at least sort of the start of July, at least. Okay, and then finally the driving test. Again, nothing's really changed in terms of what's happening with that. Yes, at the moment, driving tests are currently on hold. Yesterday, I know quite a few of my students that had tests coming up in the next kind of couple of weeks. They've already been emailed to say that their test has been cancelled. They, as yet, haven't received a further email giving them a revised date and time. The email just says that you will be notified within the next 24 hours as to when perhaps your new test will be. So again, with that, if you've not had an email yet, you will be receiving one if you've obviously got a driving test in the system, but you'll only be told within that email that your test is on hold. Like I said, you'll get a second email confirming a new date and a new time. So nothing's changed really in respect of driving tests. Okay, that's pretty much all that there is to say on the matter at the moment. I get there's a lot of frustration out there with regards to wanting to start lessons, and don't get me wrong, I'm absolutely can't wait till the day we get given that green light to be able to commence lessons. The issue that we've got is, as an instructors, we're all self-employed, so we are not told that we cannot work. It's very much down to each instructor's personal preference on when they want to start lessons again. For me, I am relying on guidance from government and the scientists that at the moment still say that there's this 1 metre ruling going to be enforced from early July, and that at the moment only lessons can commence if you are a key worker. So really, I'm going to use that as my kind of advice and wait until I get perhaps more information. So sorry that perhaps it's not what you wanted to hear. Again, it's not a lot that's happened in the last kind of week to 10 days, but as I said, that if anything changes, I will get back to you with more information. Okay, so thanks for watching. As always, keep safe, and if you're able to and not done it yet, please subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon for further notifications of videos coming out. There will be quite a few coming out in the next few weeks, so keep your eyes posted for that. Okay, take care and I'll see you soon.